Here's an incredible trick for creating a beautiful cinematic image and then generating all the camera angles you need. So here is the prompt that I did. Ancient demon rises from the black oil pit at night, smoke, mist, and tendrils of black smoke, slanted angle. Now when I ran this prompt using Nano Banana Pro, this is what I got, and that wasn't very interesting. To give it that cinematic feel, I went to style and I added amateur Android photo style. And suddenly the photorealism just levels up significantly, as you can see. I mean, these are beautiful. Once I've landed on the image I like, I send it to edit. All you have to do is go to Suggestions, go to Agentic, and I use the grid of angle suggestion. And as you can see on the tooltip, this suggestion will generate every camera angle of your scene. And it's best if you use 16:9 for the output with Nano Banana Pro. In other words, you want to select Nano Banana Pro and you want a 16:9 output. The results are exceptional. Let's click compare. So this is our original image, and then look how it gives me all the angles of that scene, from an aerial shot to a wide establishing to varying levels of close-ups. And this is just one of the outputs. So I generated a whole bunch. And of course, as always with AI, we will cherry pick our favorite. And this is beautiful. I love this one. Getting a lot of high value cinematic camera angles. So let's say this is an angle we want to use. So it's very easy. We send this over, we drag it to our source, and then using Nano Banana, we'll get rid of the suggestion because we don't need it anymore. And we're just going to write extract the bottom right image and make it full screen. All right, the images are starting to come in. Let's take a look. Beautiful. This is the image we wanted to extract, and there it is. Where this is also very useful is you have beautiful first and last frame options here. So we can extract this image here, and we can extract, let's say, this middle image here, and then first frame, last frame it inside Animate. And when you're inside Animate, go to the tutorial video on first frame, last frame, if you're not familiar with it. And in essence, it'll create a keyframe, and it'll start from here, and the camera will push all the way into here. And now you get beautiful, consistent characters, consistent environment, and more stunning camera movements. And all this is done with a simple reference image using the suggestion area right here, selecting Agentic, grid of angles, and using Nano Banana, generating the different angles, and then extracting the ones you want, also using Nano Banana. And just like that, you're now cooking with gas. Take care.